folks, Big Daddy here. Rolling down the road in the 82 Chevy starting the morning out. First we're going over the Romans because he called his furnace doesn't kick in. It's 48 degrees outside right now. Only 60 some inside right now. So it usually means that the mice have chewed one of the little hoses off in the basement. So we're gonna bird dog over there. Check that out. Then we gotta go to Grandpa Bob's place over here, down the road by Danny's, and we gotta fix his garage door opener. Then after that, we're gonna jump in the truck. It's probably his truck. He bought the Moggy. We're gonna drive that down the Elk River to his other place where his daughter lives, and we gotta fix their telephone line. I guess it's broken down there. Down here. All right, there's the little devil right there, the furnace. I wonder if they just got the switch off on it. Nope. Okay, so she kicked, the fan turned on. Hasn't kicked in yet, the breaker was off for it. There she goes. Yeah, so Roman just had the breaker turned off, turned that on. Seemed to work fine. Suppose we were coming this Wednesday to site survey this, about putting a new 500-gallon tank over here somewhere. They have to come all the way out and site survey for Wednesday. I'm talking to some guy in Pennsylvania. There ain't nobody around here, I guess, that works for this AmeriGas company. So, coming out Wednesday just to look at it, and then we're gonna put it on the list. Yeah. All right, you got the door opener?
Yeah, right here.
One, two down. Three up, four down. It worked. Our little chicken plug is working. So now we need to make an adaptation device for Augie's truck because he has both of these ends on the truck and on the trailer. This is supposed to be the trailer end, and this is supposed to be the truck end. He's got it all screwed up. Okay, G-Bob's loading up the snowblower. We're taking it to Elk River. First we tried to use that truck, but the trailer plug-in adapter wasn't the right one. We tried to make one, didn't work. Then we tried to use the Dodge over there. The light still didn't work. Then we tried to use the car, and the light still didn't work. So we figured out the light problem on the trailer. Now we're strapping down the snowblower and getting ready to head to Elk River to drop it off at the other place. Anything you want to tell them?
What?
Anything you want to tell them? You having fun?
Oh, who are you talking to?
The YouTubers.
Oh, we're just loading up here, and there's no snow yet, but we're getting ready.
Yep. We'll take this down for his daughter to use and bring the one that doesn't work back here.
The line coming out right here. Oh no, that's the ground. Oh, the line's got to be coming out of here. Oh, oh, that goes to the box. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll have to see. Yeah, it's got to be a line.
Here's the line right here going in the house.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, there it is, right there. All right. So I found out the phone line that's going in the main room wasn't even hooked up by the phone company. But the line here, they do have hooked up That one does work, but the jack was hit. We found the jack, so we're gonna try to hook this one up now. Right?
Whatever.
All right.
Whatever.
So we're gonna try to hook this up, see if it works. Well, we're back digging around in the old shed again. Got the phone line situation figured out. The one doesn't, jack doesn't work, but she's just gonna have to learn to use the other jack. She must not have been able to find it, so now we're brought the snowblower down and just looking around the garage. Take this old chainsaw home, I guess. Grandpa said. See what other kind of hidden treasures are buried in here. The old international mail truck is gone because somebody turned him in that he had a vehicle in his yard without insurance or anything on it, so they had to get rid of that. Looking down here in the basement for some old oil cans. I found this Evinrude and some holiday oil. I found something for Wally's Place 66 too. Got a lot of wine and gin. Some Zepp heavy duty cleaner. Bunch of other little doodads. Pretty dark down here. These ones over here have been leaking, so I'm leaving them. Dropped the old snowblower off, bringing this one home, bringing some old tires home. Got some rotten potatoes to bring back for chickens. Got some old oil cans I found. And a little bit of other stuff. Now Grandpa's mowing the lawn. Go figure out where he is. Cut grass. How was that? How was mowing?
Good. Pretty good.
Okay, we got the phone fixed. Snowblower switched out, lawn mowed, tires picked up, potatoes hauling out, garbage picked up. We are ready to hit the road. See when we get back to Royalton. It's gonna be a little bit of a drive. Be ready to go then. Waiting in line at the DQ. We got a bit of a wait here.
Hi, thanks for stopping. What can I get for you?
I'll have a $6 meal. The burger with fries, pineapple sundae.
What's the drink?
Mountain Dew.